What's up, guys? Today we have a how-to video on exporting and finalizing your product, the video before you render it. So first thing you want to do is you want to go through, maybe watch the video, make sure that there's no mistakes in the editing. You want to make sure if there's an audio channel that you want to come through, make sure it's not muted. Believe it or not, that happens a lot, and we lose the audio sometimes. It's not a good thing. Just save yourself the time. Go ahead and double check. If your video is like under 5 minutes or so, just watch it. Make sure everything's good. Watch it in the preview. Put some headphones in. Make sure everything's how you want it to be. All right. And then what you're gonna do is one last thing. You want to make sure that your project right here isn't like 10 minutes long, because then you'll have like the video right here, this first 40 seconds or so, and then you'll have 9 minutes of black video. And you want to make sure you don't have that because it's kind of annoying to deal with. So you have to go back in and re-render and all that. Just make sure everything's good. And then you want to go, this is how you export. Go File, go down here to Export. You go to Media. It's saying this because this is an old project that we're using here as an example, but in your project, make sure that there's no offline material. So here, this is the default. It's AVI. You want to make sure that it's H.264. That's the best recording thing that we have. You want to use maximum render quality, assuming you have the time to render like that. You want to click right here next to output name, the blue text, and you want to save it to your desktop. Always make sure you save it to your desktop when you're rendering or when you're exporting, because you're going to save yourself a lot of time for one, and if you try to render to the data share, you'll get corrupted files. We've had that happen a lot this year, like with our Buzz newscast and things like that. You just don't want to let that happen. So give it your file name, name this test1, make sure it's on desktop, and then you save. Just click export. It's encoding. Wait for everything to come through. After it's done, it'll show up on your desktop. Then you can just take that and move it into the data share wherever you need to. Just make sure you save it to the desktop first. Alright, thanks for watching.